Hi, I'm Naina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you two recipes, that is lamb fry and lamb soup. A good warm bowl of soup helps us keep warm from inside and give us the ultimate comfort this monsoon season. Soups are an excellent choice for good immunity. So without wasting much of time, let's get started with our first recipe of making lamb soup. I'm going to take 1 kg of freshly cut lamb pieces or mutton pieces. Marinate it with salt, a lemon and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and marinate it for at least 30 minutes. If possible, try marinating it for 3 to 4 hours with a little bit of curd if the meat used is not tender. Until then, crush 2 inches of ginger along with 10 to 15 garlic cloves with the help of a stone or a crusher. Now take a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into it. Add the crushed ginger garlic and 3 to 4 sliced onions and fry them well with a little bit of salt in it. Once the onions are translucent in color, add 1 chopped tomato with some coriander leaves. Fry them well and add the marinated lamb pieces to it. Add a glass of water and pressure cook it with 5 to 6 whistles or until the mutton is nicely cooked. Meanwhile, soak 10 to 15 cashews in a warm water for 15 to 30 minutes. Take a mixer grinder and add 7 to 8 garlic cloves with the soaked cashew nuts, small 2 to 4 pieces of ginger, a teaspoon of sesame seeds, a teaspoon of poppy seeds and some 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. Add a little bit of water and blend them well into a smooth paste. Once our lamb pieces are nicely cooked, separate the lamb pieces from the lamb stock. Once you're done separating the lamb pieces from the stock, keep the lamb pieces aside, add the cashew paste to the stock and mix it well. Now for the tempering, take a vessel or a container and add a tablespoon of ghee or butter, 2-inch pieces of cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 cardamoms, 7 to 8 peppercorns, 5 to 6 cloves, bay leaves and some 7 to 8 red chilies. Fry it well for 5 minutes and pour in the lamb stock to it. Add 1 Maggi magic cube to it. This is completely optional and you can skip it if you want to. And add 1 lemon to it. Boil it for another 10 minutes. Lastly, garnish it with some coriander leaves. The easy homemade lamb soup is now ready to serve. We're going to keep the soup aside and start with our next recipe of making the lamb fry or mutton fry. The one I'm sharing here is my mom's recipe and is made with basic ingredients. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to it. I also like to add a tablespoon of ghee Add 7 to 8 green chilies to it. Fry them well along with 7 to 8 sliced garlic cloves. Fry them well for 2 minutes and add 1 sliced onions to it. We're going to fry onions until they are golden brown in color. To this, add a teaspoon of pepper powder and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now once it is all nicely fried, add the cooked lamb pieces to it. We need not cook the mutton further since it is already cooked well. Mix the lamb pieces well with the fried onions, chilies and garlic. Lastly, garnish it with some coriander leaves. This mutton fry can be served as an appetizer or as a side with rice, chapati or roti. Do try both the recipes of making lamb soup along with the lamb fry and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.